Hey, my name is Mike and Serr.biz, and today we're going to print a logo, 3D print a logo. In this case, we made a coaster out of the LinkedIn logo. It's pretty simple to do. Let's get started. All right, so what we do is we open our logo up in Adobe Illustrator, and then we trace image. Then we need to expand the group and ungroup it. Then we go to layers, and in our case there was a white background, so we have to delete that first. Just select it and then use the delete function. Then select the object again. Flip over to properties. At the Pathfinder, click minus front, and that breaks it apart and takes out the white of the lettering. Then we extrude in our 3D panel, and there you go. We've got our image. Now we send it to the export it as an OBJ with the asset export, and make sure you set OBJ and export. Import it into our slicer. We use Creality, and then send it to the printer. Now we used a glass PLA filament. We had to fiddle with it a few times. Finally we got something we liked, and as you can see, it's nifty and works perfect as a coaster. All right. There it is, and as you saw in the video, it makes a nice little coaster. What I think is fun about this is that with the 3D printer, I could easily turn other logos, and you could do this for yourself obviously, into just fun swag to give out to your customers. Because remember, it's all about branding, branding, branding. So if you need help with your 3D printing or design, give us a call. If you want to print out this specific logo that we made into a 3D print, the OBJ file, a link to it is below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.